Here's the project I've been working on for the last couple of days. It's I have an Arduino here, and then we've got a switch, an LED, and a motion detector. And then that is connected via this, it's a USB connection, which is supporting RS-232 back to my PC. So what I wanted to do is, in the past I've done a lot of stuff with Arduino and even interfaced it to a Raspberry Pi, but I really haven't attempted to communicate with the PC, and I definitely have not tried to do it through a serial port. So my project is to allow my PC to be able to detect whether or not the little switch is on, and then be able to turn the LED on and also detect whether or not there was motion. So when I put all this together, the little switch essentially turns the motion detector on and off, and then if it detects motion, it turns that little LED on. And the other thing I wanted to do, which is really hard to do with the Arduino, is actually play a sound. So when the PC detects that there's motion, it will play a sound. So I'm going to go ahead and start this up. And the first thing it wants to do is find out what your COM port is and what your baud rate is. So the defaults for those are fine. And so first it boots up, takes it a couple of seconds, and then you can see debug code displaying. And then once it's running, you can't really see it on this monitor, but on the Arduino itself there's a little keep alive LED. So one of the messages that the PC sends is a keep alive every 10 seconds, and if the Arduino is receiving that regularly, then it keeps that LED on, so I know whether or not there's communications. But once it's running, if you do some motion, so everything's a little slow because the debug mode is on, but the PC cycles through checking everything once a second, which actually, being a PC, I could reduce that quite a bit further if I wanted to, but coming from the old days, you never wanted a loop to be checking hardware more than once a second. So anyway, that is the project.